Secretly everyone wants to look good and slow the aging process. What are you waiting for? It is Corby for the Aesthetic Medical Center with the very talented Dr. Marcovici. Dr. Marcovici specializes in minimally invasive rapid recovery techniques such as liposuction, tummy tucks, buttocks, and breast augmentation with no scarring. I had my liposculpting procedure, and the next day I was able to go back to work. It's a one-stop solution for men and women. Take advantage of lunch break procedures like fat melting injections for cellulite, Botox, cosmetic fillers, varicose veins treatment, and skin tightening and contouring. Make your appointment today, 843-945-9990, on Facebook at 911AMC, and online at drmarcovicimd.com. That's drmarcovicimd.com. Financing is available, and walk-ins are always welcome. The Aesthetic Medical Center.